Using UCC Article 3 to reverse illegitimate judgments and foreclosures. What if I told you the judgment against you, or even a foreclosure, could be reversed using UCC Article 3? The truth is, if negotiable instruments were mishandled, you have lawful grounds to challenge and discharge the claim. Here's how to do it. The Uniform Commercial Code, specifically Article 3 governing negotiable instruments, is not merely procedural, it is curative. When properly invoked, it allows individuals to challenge and reverse illegitimate court judgments and foreclosures that were obtained in violation of commercial law principles. The foundation for such action lies in the lack of standing, improper accounting, and wrongful endorsement or dishonor of instruments. Start with UCC Section 3-301, which defines a person entitled to enforce the instrument. The definition limits enforcement to 1. The holder of the instrument. 2. A non-holder in possession with the rights of a holder, or 3. A person not in possession, but who has the right to enforce due to loss, theft, or destruction, e.g., lost note affidavit under UCC Section 3-309. This means that no party may lawfully enforce an instrument or foreclose upon a property unless they possess and can prove a legitimate chain of title to the original note. Most foreclosure judgments fail here. Further, UCC Section 3-501 mandates that any party seeking to enforce payment must first provide a presentment and allow reasonable time to inspect the instrument. If the original note is unavailable and the party cannot establish rights via UCC Section 3-309, they lack standing. Remedy: file a motion to vacate judgment under FRCP Rule 60B for void judgments, citing failure to present lawful instrument, improper party enforcement, violations of UCC Sections 3-301, 3-309, and 3-501. A lack of valid tender refusal procedure per UCC Section 3-603. In foreclosure, the bank or trustee must prove they are the real party in interest. You may compel this via a motion to show cause. If the note is shown to be paid, altered, sold, securitized, or never properly endorsed, the foreclosure becomes a fraud upon the court. Moreover, if you have issued a qualified tender of payment, endorsed without recourse, and they accepted it but continued collection, this constitutes dishonor of a negotiable instrument. Under UCC Section 3-505, dishonor can be rebutted, but if unrebutted, it invalidates the collector's standing. You may also assert that the foreclosure or judgment violated UCC Section 3-602, which states that payment discharges the obligation, even if made by someone other than the obligor. That includes third-party tenders or administrative offset when validly issued. This legal framework allows the filer to nullify judgments, invalidate collections, and restore property title, all by applying UCC Article 3 with precision. Footnote: this section provides a remedy framework using UCC Article 3 to reverse void judgments and stop unlawful foreclosures resulting from improper or absent negotiable instruments.